The Honor X70 has officially arrived, and it's packing a massive 8,300 mAh silicon carbon battery that redefines smartphone endurance. This powerhouse comes with 80W wired charging across all models. But here's the kicker: if you spring for the top-tier 512GB version, you also get 80W wireless charging thrown in. That's right, wireless charging that's just as fast as many phones' wired solutions. Let's talk colors, because Honor's giving you options. The X70 comes in 4 eye-catching finishes: Phantom Night Black for the stealthy users, Bamboo Green for nature lovers, Cinnabar Red to make a statement, and Moon Shadow White for that clean, premium look. Storage configurations are equally flexible, with 8GB RAM paired with either 128GB or 256GB storage, or 12GB RAM with your choice of 256GB or that premium 512GB option we mentioned earlier. The X70 sports a massive 6.79-inch AMOLED panel with a sharp 1200 by 2640 resolution and buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. But what's really impressive is that blinding 6000 nits peak brightness. You'll have no trouble seeing this screen even in direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset keeps things running smoothly, powered by Android 15 with Honor's Magic OS 9.0 layered on top. Camera enthusiasts will appreciate the capable 50MP main shooter with its wide f/1.9 aperture, phase detection autofocus, and optical image stabilization for crisp shots every time. Up front, an 8MP selfie camera handles your video calls and quick snaps. This phone is built like a tank with IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. Honor put it through brutal testing, including 2.5-meter drop tests, exposure to 85 degrees Celsius water, 4 hours of continuous salt spray, and it's even rated waterproof up to 6 meters. The display uses a special 2-layer damping system with a shock-absorbing frame and honeycomb structure underneath. Practical touches include glove-friendly touch sensitivity and the ability to use it in heavy rain. There's even a Yo-Yo AI assistant feature that can eject water and dust from the phone's ports. The Honor X70 is available. Pricing starts at an incredibly competitive 1,399 Chinese yuan for the 8GB per 128GB model, which translates to roughly 167 euros or 16,700 Indian rupees. The 8GB per 256GB version comes in at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB per 256GB model hits 1,799 Chinese yuan. If you want all the bells and whistles, the top-end 12GB per 512GB configuration with that sweet 80W wireless charging will set you back 1,999 Chinese yuan. This is shaping up to be the ultimate rugged phone with flagship-level battery life. That 8,300 mAh capacity means you could easily get multiple days of use between charges, and with those fast charging options, you'll never be tethered to an outlet for long. Between the incredible durability, massive battery, and bright, smooth display, the Honor X70 might just be the perfect phone for adventurers, outdoor workers, or anyone who's tired of babying their smartphone.